Hi everyone. Today we'll discuss about in this video websites and blogs. So due to COVID-19 pandemic battle, everyone is depending on the websites, internet. How websites are useful, what is the major difference between blogs and websites, we will see. So every individual is creating blog to share his own resources, share his information for wider community of the people. Website is a collection of web pages. These web pages are included in internet to search the relevant information to the end user. So we will see in detail about websites and blogs. Website is a collection of web pages. So blog is individually created. So blog is a two-way communication. Website is a one-way communication. We cannot communicate, we cannot share the information in website, but in blog user can share the information and the response will come. So blog and website major difference is website is a one-way communication, blog is a two-way communication. So in this websites are different types. If we see websites, education websites is there, entertainment websites is there, e-commerce business websites is there, social media websites are there. These social media websites are Facebook, like that many other social media websites are there, search engine websites are there, news websites are there. So these websites are providing the information to the end user by latest information. So every day if we require in this COVID pandemic 19, what is happening in USA, UK, Japan, we are watching with these websites. So here very important concept is searching the information in websites is very difficult. So user must know URL, Uniform Resource Locator. This is in a web address in the website. So this is mainly depends on domain name. These domain names are under the world registered under ICANN, ICANN. So this is ICANN is nothing but Internet Corporation for Assigned Names and Numbers. For each individual user to create a website, they need to approach ICANN. So ICANN will again give internet service provider. This is an intermediary between ICANN and ISP. For example, ISPs, if we see GoDaddy.com, this is an internet service provider. They will provide the host name and also the hosting space in a website where we need to create our information. So this is in a database, like a database in a website, they will provide some space. For example, GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com. These are the internet service providers among the users. This is an intermediary between ICANN and users. So we will see what is the blog and what is the website. What is the major differences between blogs and websites. Blog can be created by individual users. There are many different types of blogs are available to create their own information, to send their information to the end users. What is happening, latest information we can see across the globe within a fraction of seconds in the websites and blogs. So these are the blogging platforms. There are different types of blogging platforms are there. Blogger.com is one platform, typepad.com, hubpages.com, jekyll.com, next medium.com, subtil.com, posttag.io, wordpress.com. Though these are the blogging platforms across the globe. WordPress.com is widely using. Across 34% of the across the globe users are using WordPress platform. The beauty of the WordPress platform is readily available features. The features are nothing but templates, plugins, are thousands of templates, thousands of plugins are readily available to create their own websites. So we can create homepage, we can create banners, we can create titles, everything readily available under WordPress. This is the beauty of the WordPress. If you see websites, this side, these are the blogging platforms and this is the website platform. If you see the websites, www.google.com, this is a one website. www.wikipedia.org, this is another website. www.yahoo.com. What we need to observe here, this one, www.google.com. What it denotes? Here HTTP is there. HTTP means Hypertext Transfer Protocol. HTTP. Next /: www.google.com. So this is, what does it mean? HTTP is nothing but a protocol. We need to remember this, very important. HTTP and HTTPS. HTTPS is nothing but security. There is a security is there in this website, whereas HTTP is not secure. So encrypted and decrypted messages will be possible in HTTPS, secure socket layer. The protocol we are using as HTTPS is very important to secure the information. This HTTPS mainly used in banking sector to transfer the money from end user. So password and pin code will not be shared to the end user. Then this S will be used, HTTPS. Then otherwise unauthorized users, hackers will hack the websites. So HTTPS we need to secure one. Here, what does it mean? HTTP is a protocol, www is a subdomain, and Google is a domain, google.com. So Google is a domain. Here www is a subdomain. This subdomain is nothing but subdivisions of this main domain. So what is the main domain here? Google is a main domain, www is a subdomain. This subdomain is nothing but a division of the main domain. So like this, many websites are available. There are top level domains are there. We need to remember the top level domains. We can already discussed about google.com. .com is a top level domain across the globe, across the world. Next domain is .org, .net, .gov, .ac.in, .on, online, .shiksha, .tech, .guru. Like the top level domains are there. User need to remember that which domain we need to purchase according to their website. For business people, many of the business people, they will purchase .com. .com is nothing but commercial website. .gov is nothing but government organization. .org is nothing but organization. .ac.in is nothing but academic institution. For example, www.osmania.ac.in. This is nothing but osmania.ac.in. ac.in is reflects that academic institution. www.tspsc.gov.in. This is nothing but Telangana State Public Service Commission government institution. This is a government organization. So once we purchase the hosting space, then we need to think about the domain name. Which domain is required? Which domain we need to purchase? Once you purchase the domain name, this domain name will not be given to any other individual person across the globe. This is a unique one like fingerprint. So this will be provided by, as already we discussed about ICANN. This is the Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers. Those will be provided for the domain name. We need to register under that ICANN. Whether the domain name is available or not, we can also think about that. If it is available, if you want to take many domains, you can purchase from that. Then we call it as a park domains. Once you purchase the domain, that domain will not be given for end users. For example, we will discuss about tsrtc.online.in. If you want to purchase Telangana State Road Transport Corporation, you cannot purchase. If you give crores of rupees, they will not provide, because this already provided by ICANN to TSRTC. So you cannot purchase it. At the same time, www.osmania.ac.in. This is an academic institution. This already taken by the Osmania University. This website by the name of osmania.ac.in. So this domain name will not be given for any other end user. If you give lakhs of rupees, crores of rupees, you cannot purchase the domain name. So these domain names will be for 1 year, for 3 years, for lifetime. So we need to pay the money to the ICANN or internet service providers like this godaddy.com or bluehost.com. Once we provide the for a domain name amount, they will give the for services for 1 year, 3 years, or lifetime. So we discussed about today what is website, what is blog, why the websites are we are using means mainly we are sharing the information, quality information to the end user. At the same time, we need to attract the users. For example, I will say many companies are manufacturing the cars. So how people are attracting one car? If one car, many people are purchasing that car. It is based on the quality, it is based on the looking, it is based on the engine, and it is based on the interior decorator. Here also we need to create a website to attract the users. So many users across the globe, many users are using the websites. So you need to attract the users. There is the two topics are very important here: search engine marketing and search engine optimization to attract the users for your websites. Once the user is visiting your website, means whatever the information, accurate information you are posting in your website, many end users can see across the world. So quality content we can share. We will also attract the users, many users. When we are attracting, then we can share the information to the users as per their need. So search engine optimization, search engine marketing plays an important role. So here to attract the users. So once you create a website, we need to depend upon the search engine optimization. How your website will come first. So top level domains we will take .com, .ac.in, .org, like this top level domains you can see. But your website will go on first page, third page, fourth page, nobody visitors can visit your website. For example, if your website is created osmania.ac.in, assume that, and this will not come under first page or first, second, third, like that. Google is providing this information. So this osmania.ac.in is the fourth place or some fifth place. First one is search engine marketing. They will provide osmania.ac.in with this URL and somebody other URL links. So other URL links will combine some advertisements. Once you click on that advertisement, the people will gain the money. So how your website will come in the first place, this search engine optimization, search engine marketing plays an important role here. So once we creating the website, we need to remember about the URL. What type of URL we are going to purchase? .com, .ac.in, .gov. So like that we need to purchase. So major difference between HTTP and HTTPS is secure socket layer. So secure information we can transfer from end user. So emails we are sending HTTPS. So one user to end user. Username and password will be provided. Once password will be enabled, then only the information will come. Otherwise, we cannot get the exact email what he is sending. For example, you are sending the information good morning, hello for end user. So somebody hackers will receive that information and he may change that information. Good morning, like that you need to send some money to my website. Like that they can change whatever the actual text you are sending, and the hackers in between they can change the data and decrypted here again they will send. So password is very important to protect your email messages. So secure socket layer HTTPS is very important to secure your websites. Whenever we are purchasing any websites or username URL, mainly you can take but HTTPS, secure socket layer. So this cannot be encrypted and this cannot be decrypted. Once websites and blogs in a nutshell we will discuss within 1 minute. So website and blog, what is the major difference? Website is nothing but collection of web pages, then it is a one-way communication. Blogger is an individual website or individual user will create this website. This is a two-way communication. So websites and blogs are providing quality information to attract the users. There are many types of blogging platforms are there. There are many types of websites are there. So blogging platforms or websites are providing the information to the end user. The websites are providing ICANN, Internet Corporation for assigned names and numbers. Again, intermediary is GoDaddy.com, Bluehost.com. They are providing the ISP, Internet Service Providers, to the end users. So top level domains we need to purchase once taking this URL. So these websites and blogs are very useful. So HTTP, and this is the transfer. This is in a protocol. This is in a subdomain. This is in a domain name. This is in a .com. So hypertext transfer protocol. This is in a protocol. www is in a subdomain. Google is a domain name. .com is in a top level ID. Top level ID. This is a top level domains. .com, .org. So FTP file transfer protocol is there. SMTP is there. Simple mail transfer protocol is there. This we are using in email services. PGP, petty group privacy services, is also there. IMAP is Internet Message Access Protocol. IMAP, Internet Message Access Protocol. There are different types of protocols are there. In the next video, we will discuss about the web designing. So stay home, stay safe.